Hi friends, I hope you're all well. Today I thought we'd do something fun. Since we have to wash our hands all the time, I thought why not do a project that involves making a simple soap. So this is called squishy soap and it's very simple and it doesn't take very many things. We're going to use some cornstarch, any kind of liquid soap. I'm using a dish soap, a little bit of oil, a little food coloring, and that's all we need. So you're going to need a grown-up to help you measure this out, but here we go. First of all, it's half a cup of cornstarch. Whoops, messy, right? One, that's just a half cup. Next, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of your liquid soap. So I'm squeezing it into my tablespoon, and that's 1. And then we do another one. And that's 2. Okay. And then finally, we need just about a little bit more than a tablespoon of oil. Let's see how much we get here. It's about 1. Okay? And then that's all the ingredients. Now we can stir it up a little bit to get it to start coming together. It doesn't look like anything yet, but then you'll start to see it kind of coming. Now, right about now, we can add a little bit of food coloring. I'm going to add about maybe 3 drops. Let's see what color that is. What color is this? It's blue. That's right. So 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 for good luck. 4. Okay. That's just food coloring, and now we mix it up. Ugh, ugly noise. And it's starting to get mixed up. Now this is where all the hard labor comes in. We're going to push that out and then just keep on mushing it together. And when it's all done, you'll have some squish soap. Now I'm going to just smush it with my fingers. And there it goes. All right, friends, I finally got it after a lot of kneading, which is using my hands to squish it. This is what it should come out to be like. It's almost like Play-Doh, where you can roll it like that into a shape. Look at, I'm making kind of a snake, right? Or I can kind of bend it and make a circle or whatever. Again, grown-ups, you do need to store this in a airtight container, otherwise it will dry up and turn into crumbs again. T for terrific! All right, that's our project.